Sewing machines remain one of the most versatile tools for home crafters, hobbyists, and small studios. A strong machine can transform projects from simple repairs to confident quilting and garment construction by offering reliable stitch quality, user-friendly threading, and durable build.
List number 1. Brother XM2701 Sewing Machine. The XM2701 is a lightweight, full-featured Brother model with 27 built-in stitches and an automatic needle threader. It ships with 6 feet and a drop-in bobbin, which simplifies setup for beginners while still offering enough versatility for a broad range of projects, including decorative stitching and basic garment construction. The machine also provides free arm capabilities, which are essential for cuffs, sleeves, and hems. With Brother at your side support, users have ongoing access to technical assistance, which contributes to confidence in a budget-friendly purchase. Performance and user experience are characterized by reliable stitch consistency at moderate speeds, a straightforward threading process, and solid stability thanks to a modest weight. The drop-in bobbin and automatic needle threader reduce tedium for new sewists, and the variety of stitches supports a spectrum of tasks from everyday repairs to light quilting. The included instructional DVD and manual add value, though deeper quilting or heavy-duty projects may outstrip this model's capabilities. The 25-year limited warranty provides peace of mind for long-term ownership.
List number 2. Singer Heavy Duty 4452 High-Speed Sewing Machine with. The Singer 4452 is a heavy-duty model designed for speed and performance on thicker fabrics. It features a robust metal frame, a 110-stitch application range, a one-step buttonhole, and a transparent top bobbin cover for monitoring thread usage. The machine ships with a variety of presser feet and accessories, plus a dedicated free Creativate app for guidance and troubleshooting. This model is built for durability and high-speed sewing rather than the widest stitch library or computerized automation. Performance-wise, the 4452 excels at dense fabrics like denim or canvas thanks to its stronger motor and higher piercing power. The motor's potency makes multiple layers more manageable, and the transparent bobbin area helps with quick thread checks. The downside is that while it offers 110 stitch applications, many of those stitches are basic or utilitarian rather than highly decorative. Some users may find the lack of a full LED screen or advanced memory features less appealing if they want multifunctionality beyond quick repairs and garment construction.
List number 3. Brother Sewing. The XR3774 sits in the mid-range category with 37 built-in stitches, including quilting and multiple decorative options, plus a wide table for larger projects. It features automatic needle threading, a drop-in bobbin, and a versatile free arm suited for garments and craft projects. The wider table is a practical enhancement for quilting, and the 15-pound weight strikes a balance between portability and stability. This model is designed to serve both everyday sewing and entry-level quilting, making it a flexible option for hobbyists who are expanding beyond basic stitches. In practice, the XR3774 performs well on a variety of fabrics, delivering consistent stitch quality across utility, decorative, and quilting stitches. The wide table supports handling larger layers, and the included 8 feet provide a solid starter toolkit for quilting and garment work. However, as a non-computerized machine, it lacks the advanced stitch memory and automatic features found in higher-end computerized Brother models, which may affect long-term convenience for very complex projects. The machine's footprint and weight offer a stable sewing experience without compromising too much on portability.
List number 4. Brother Sewing. The XR9550 is a computerized Brother model with a broad stitch repertoire, 165 built-in stitches, and a user-friendly LCD display. It includes a wide table and 8 feet designed to support both sewing and quilting. The machine's emphasis on ease of use is reinforced by a fast needle threading system and a bright display for selecting stitches and settings. The inclusion of a protective hardcover and a 25-year warranty aligns with expectations for a reliable mid- to upper-tier machine in a home studio. Performance-wise, the XR9550 delivers crisp stitch quality across utility, decorative, and alphanumeric stitches. The LCD interface simplifies stitch selection, and the auto-size buttonholes add convenience for garment construction. The wide table aids large projects, but the machine remains approachable for beginners due to guided threading and straightforward operation. The primary trade-offs are price sensitivity relative to features. For those prioritizing computer-assisted control and an extensive stitch library, the XR9550 is a strong contender, while enthusiasts seeking purely mechanical simplicity might prefer a non-computerized model.
List number 5. Sewing machine for beginners with 16 built-in. This entry-level compact model targets true beginners and DIY enthusiasts seeking an affordable, portable solution. It offers 16 built-in stitches, a 2-speed operation with a responsive foot pedal, a storage drawer, and an accessory kit designed to get new users sewing quickly. It's lightweight, about 3 pounds, and included starter materials make it a convenient option for light repairs, crafts, and basic mending projects. The design emphasizes simplicity over expandability, with a compact footprint ideal for small spaces or travel use. Overall, it represents an accessible on-ramp into sewing, focused on learning and basic projects. Performance-wise, the machine handles basic fabrics well, but faces limitations with thicker or multi-layered garments due to its compact frame and modest motor. The 16 stitch options cover essential tasks: straight, zigzag, blind hem, and decorative options, but lack advanced utility or quilting stitches found on higher-priced models. The included kit and the portable form factor are strong selling points for beginners who want immediate hands-on practice, yet users should temper expectations for heavy-duty or long sessions. Usability is assisted by straightforward threading guides and intuitive controls, making setup quick for new users.